Okay, so hi guys. So today I will be explaining to you how I trade the currency strength meter trading strategy. Now I took several trades today, 4 trades. The first one I will explain to you. It was on the AUD yen, and I was trading the AUD yen, and I entered it at around 81.30. My target was 82.0 something, and then the second entry was around 81.18. So as you can see, the AUD yen made a nice move towards the target without triggering the second entry. So in this case, then I would just have one entry. Now, if you don't know about my trading strategy, I would only have the first entry, and then if I have the second entry triggering, then I would move my target for this first entry to its break even. And then once the price moves up to the first entry level, then I would put the stop loss for the second entry at the break even. So it will become a break even trade. If they both move to the target, I mean, the first entry moves to the target directly, then it's fine. The second trade I took was on the GBP JPY. So yeah, as you can see, I had a buy on the GBP JPY because the currency strength meter was showing that the GBP was strong, the yen was weak, and yeah. The third one was on the Euro GBP. I had the sell trade, and also it just triggered the first entry, went to the target, and yeah, we didn't have too much. Okay, and on the Canadian yen, which was my first trade for today, okay, it made the move up, but it didn't go to the target, and then it's starting to go down. Obviously, you could like at the now it's like past the session which I was trading, the European session. So you could be moving your stop loss to the break even after you have this move, and then this would be like a break even trade, and yeah, so. I wouldn't be taking the second entry at this time, and I wouldn't be keeping the first entry if it would continue. So 4 trades were triggered today, 3 went to target, 1 made some profit and then went back to break even. So this was how I took the trades for today. Now I will explain to you the trading strategy which I use to find these kind of trades every day. Okay, so this is how I start. Okay, so yeah. Now, how I use the currency strength meter is as follows. The green means the currency is strong. The red means the currency is weak. I would always be looking to buy a strong currency against a weak currency, and this will make the pairs here. So these pairs are formed from the strong and weak currencies here, and they will tell you which currency pairs you should be trading. Like AUD CAD, it means it's the best candidate now for buying, followed by AUD yen and stuff. However, we don't go in the market like this. What I will do, according to my trading strategy, I would look at this classification at the beginning of the European trading session, and even 1 hour before, to find if there are like retracements. So the first criteria is the currency strength meter. The second criteria is a retracement. Now I use here the ATR channels and a special kind of a zigzag indicator which doesn't repaint to show me where I can enter. Now I also use a special kind of indicator which I have also developed to tell me where I should be adding to my entry, where I should be entering at the beginning, how I should be adding to my entry, and then the target for the buy if it's a buy, and if it was a sell, where I should be adding, like entering the sell, and then where I should be adding to the sell, and where is the sell target. Now in this case it was a buy, so this is now when I took this trade, obviously, I would have this enter in this zone. So this will tell you like we will be buying in this zone. But since this indicator, it will displace every hour. So at the beginning of every hour, this will redraw and tell you what are the levels that you should consider at the beginning of the hour. And then you will be just working on them. And once you put the buy limit and the targets, you don't change them, but you have to follow the strategy which I explained before and do it that way. So if you want to learn more about my trading strategy, if you want to download these indicators, you will find the links below this video. And also, if you want to join my free channel where I will give everyday free signals, you can also find the link under this video in the bio, in the description. And if you have any questions or comments, feel free to put them in the comments below, okay? Have a nice day. If you have any thing, you can contact me. If you need to understand, I would be happy if you tell me if something is not clear in my explanation and you need that I explain it better. So you can tell me what you didn't understand and I will work on it. Okay then. Have a nice day, guys. Take care.